together, piece by piece. I've been feeling like a failure, trying to be braver than I could ever be. It's just not me. So be my healer, be my comfort, be my peace. 'Cause I can be broken, I can be needy. Lord, I need you now to be my God, so I can just be me. I've been living like an orphan, trying to belong here, but it's just not my home. I've been holding on so tightly to all the things that I think could satisfy my soul, but I'm letting go. So be my Father, my mighty warrior, be my King. 'Cause I can be scattered, frail and shattered. Lord, I need you now to be my God, so I can just be me. 'Cause I was lost in this dark world until I was finally found in you. So now I'm needing, desperately pleading, oh Lord, behold to me and be my Savior, be my lifeline. Won't you be my everything? 'Cause I'm so tired trying to be someone I was never meant to be. Be my God, please be my God. Be my God, so I can just be me. So I can just be me.